I got PlayStation 3 and the customer said they have issue on the disk drive. So let's try to check it first. As you can see, it is not working. Let's turn the console off and fix it. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video game stuff and computers, so don't forget to give me like. So they have a couple of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one for the hard drive, and here. Also they have 3 screws here. 1, 2, 3. Now it's ready to open it. First, disconnect the power supply connector. And they have connector here also, you need to disconnect it. They have one screw here and the second one here. Now we can take the power supply. They have one tiny screw here. Just be careful. They have 3 ribbon cables. 1, 2, 3. You need to disconnect it. All is disconnected. So they have one more ribbon cable under the disk drive. And the disk drive is out. This is another disk drive. I take it from donor console. I hope it's working. The ribbon cable is back. I will return the power supply and test the console. And yes, it's working. As you can see, it's working. I will clean the console and return all the parts back and make the last test. I cleaned the console. I know it's not the best, but better than before. And everything should be perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please let me know.